video photography drone site for just social media content, and my husband over there he sells poster prints and photos too. That's a side thing. But I'm Kim Possible. I don't know if you've heard of Kim Possible, the cartoon character. But I have a spin-off where I talk to really cool car owners about their cars. And so, hi, this is Kim Possible with Maximum Performance Productions, and I'm here with the Stewardship Classics Car and Truck Club. Okay, hi guys, we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 9 members here today with this beautiful row of cars. They're amazing cars. So who's the one in charge of the club? You right there?
Right
okay.
here.
How long have you had this car club?
Since 2006.
2006. What's your name?
Judge Myers Jr.
Judge Myers Jr.
Yes, ma'am.
What are all your names?
Randolph Reeves.
Randolph Reeves.
Ronald Long.
Waverly Daniels.
Andrew Martin. Kelvin Jordan.
Jerry Brewster.
Louis Satterfield. Albert Grimes.
All right. Great. You guys have a great car club here and everything. And which one, by hands down, is your favorite vehicle here out of all of them? All of them. Okay. All right. So we got a GT 350 down there.
Up to 500.
Oh, I'm sorry, 500. Correction. Okay. I don't want to insult anyone. That's for sure. GT 500. Oh my God. Yeah. So what about that car on the end?
That's a green truck.
All right, that's the red truck. Is that in the car club too?
Yes.
Whose is that? Yours. Okay. How long have you had that car? 3 years?
20.
What? This car over here, whose car was that again? Yours.
That's
Okay. This Oldsmobile, what year is it?
1967.
1967 Oldsmobile. It's got a 442
Yes.
engine in it. Wow. He is the only owner of that vehicle. Yep, and it's classic. It's well kept. Is that the original paint?
Original paint.
Yeah, so obviously you take care of it. What do you do to keep it so good?
Keep it on the inside.
Keep it on the inside, yeah. Keep it
Keep it
covered
on the
up.
inside. Keep it warm. That's all.
Yeah, climate control. Alright, what about this black one right here?
This is mine.
What year and make and model is it?
This is 62 Ford Fairlane 500.
Wow, the 62 Ford Fairlane 500. How fast have you had this thing up to?
I don't even know.
Over 100 miles?
Not 100, probably about 90.
Okay.
I don't kill it.
Yeah, of course not. I see you're probably a veteran.
Yes.
Okay.
We all better.
You're all veterans?
Yes.
Okay, so am I.
Oh,
I retired a year ago. I did 30 years. Yeah, him.
I did
well,
8 years, so I...
Yeah.
okay, you're better.
Yeah. But I love talking to veterans. I love, that we're all here, part of this car club and everything. What about the blue one over here? Whose is that?
Right here.
What year, make, and model do you have?
83 C10.
83 C10. Okay, what's your favorite thing about your truck?
Cruising speed limit.
That's your favorite thing? Cruising the speed limit?
And listen to my blood.
What kind of system you got in there? You listen to
I got Kenwood.
Kenwood?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. The engine looks pretty clean too, so you keep it clean, don't you?
I tried to right now. The pollen's killing.
Yeah, I know. But it looks pretty good nonetheless. Then we got a car down here.
Barracuda.
Whose car is that? Yours. What do you got? What make and model is
It
yours?
was a 1967 Plymouth Barracuda.
Wow.
I had it for 47 years.
47 years?
Yes, ma'am.
You're the only owner, I guess? I can't.
Now I'm about the second.
Alright. That's a beautiful car too. I love the color. Do you know the name of the color?
It's a Viper Blue.
Viper blue.
Yeah.
That's yours. What year is that one?
1965
The 1965.
Ford
Wow.
Falcon interior.
Oh, look at the back end. Is that truck car? What is it?
It's a
Is it
truck.
car?
It's a truck.
Really nice. What's your favorite thing about your car?
4-speed and 289 engine.
Oh, awesome. What do you think about that red interior? You
I love it.
How fast have you had this thing up to?
About 140 in third gear.
You, 143rd gear, yeah. Right, he's serious. Yeah, you're a serious man. GT 500 down there on the end, that black one. That's beautiful. What year is that?
2013.
Okay.
One owner.
Wow. All right. Then I missed one over here. Who's the owner of that nice?
Long. 1966 Chevy 2.
That's the year I was born.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Maybe half century.
Uh-huh. The burgundy. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
What kind of engine does that have?
It's got a 355.
Okay.
Yeah. Had it up to about 110. But it's a good car.
Yeah, is that the original paint?
No, the original was black
Black?
when I bought it.
I like the color though.
Yeah.
Metallic?
It's metallic raspberry red.
Red. Awesome. I love that car. All right, well guys, let me swing back around here with some of you all so I can get a picture in front of the group. You can videotape it. But I want to thank the Stewardship Classic Car and Truck Club for participating in another Kim Possible interview. And we'll be out here again. We'll be out here next time. We try to come out as often as we can. But love all the people out here. Have a great day. Sunny, I know you guys got places you need to go. So I'll let you all go. But catch us on Maximum Performance Productions for another cool interview with more classic car owners. Thanks.